Hey guys, my name is Alicia and I am doing a cool video for you guys today. So I recently got the Canon G7X from Best Buy yesterday and I wanted to share with you guys some of my concerns when I bought it and how that ended up working out. And I'm also going to be doing an unboxing and a bunch of test shots too, because I just want to make sure that when you guys buy a camera like this, you're not wasting your money. So yeah, so it's pretty overcast today, so I think that's pretty good for testing this out inside because it gets really dark in my house. So anyway, before we get started with this video, I hope you guys will subscribe and let's get started with it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to be unboxing the camera that I got. So basically I just sped it up a bit because my air conditioner on and the quality was bad, but that was the case I got and then that was the camera, like the box that it came in. So here I'm just opening the Powershot G7X Mark II, which is the specific one I got. I wanted to get the updated one because, you know, it's better quality. So it comes with this booklet on how to use it, and then there were a bunch of other papers in there that you can also use. And then there was this random coupon thing that I found, so yeah. So then what I did is I removed all the paper out of my box, and then I actually took the camera out and removed all the other paper in order to get the chargers and more paper that was in the box because they used an excessive amount of packaging here. So here's what the camera looks like. It looks pretty cool. I was like so excited when I actually took it out of the box because I couldn't wait until I actually opened it, and this is basically what it looked like, but I didn't turn it on because the battery wasn't charged. But this is the flip out screen and it just changes around like that. And then here was the battery charger, and then the battery pack came in this little package as well, and then I took all that out and I charged the battery. So here what I'm doing is just putting the strap onto my camera because that's basically what you're supposed to do when you get it. And yeah, I'm just doing that right now. I'm putting it on the side of the camera. I don't think it matters what side, but I'm probably gonna get a new strap soon because this one's not very durable, so yeah. Hey guys, so right now you guys saw the unboxing of my camera. So right now I'm going to be sharing a little bit about like a camera case I bought. I'm going to be sharing a little bit about how it performs, and I'm going to be showing you guys some clips of like zooming in of different light conditions. I'm not going to show you at night though because it's not nighttime here, so why would I do that? And it's overcast today, and this is the quality, which I think is really good. But anyway, so I'm going to share first my case that I bought. So it's just a lower pro case. It was like $12 that I picked it up for, and the inside is pretty soft, and there's like a hard panel here so that it doesn't like, I guess, ruin your lens. So I put that way. And then in the front there's a little pouch where I like to put my memory card. I have a bunch of memory cards, but I purchased I don't know what it's called. I'll put a picture of it like right here and like what it's called, and I'll link it below. But that is the best memory card you can get for this camera, and I bought it for my GoPro originally, but I also use it for this. As for quality, I think this quality is like amazing. I have not ever had a camera that's this good, and I film with my iPhone, which was pretty much better than all the cameras I've gotten, so that kind of gives you a little bit of say as to how poor camera quality is on the cameras I bought. Because I spent like $200, $100 on these cameras, like the Nikon L830 and a Sony point and shoot, but they're just horrible. So not that I don't recommend them, but like they're more for outside and like photography rather than like video. Like honestly, if you're gonna go for like a video camera, like even if it's just gonna be like a sit down video, this I totally recommend because it's super durable, and you can also like move around with it, and it's lightweight too, so it's perfect for that. And I didn't want to get a DSLR because my problem with the DSLR was that it would be too bulky and I wouldn't be able to actually like hold it up and or like move it around for shots and stuff. And this is also super smooth. So that's another thing I was worried about because I didn't want a big camera going all shaky and gross, and you know. Yeah, and my other concern with buying this camera was that it would perform horrible in low light, like I said before, because my room is pretty dark and it has some pretty dark corners. But right now I'm standing in one of them, and I only have like a window open, like the blinds open in a window, and it's super bright in here, which I think is pretty awesome. The only thing I have to say that I don't like is that when I like go like this, like with the window behind me, it looks weird. But you really can't change that because you can't really overexpose the background. So yeah, so now I'm gonna do a bunch of test shots in the dark and stuff, some zooms, and see how this works out for you guys. So I closed the blind that I had open before, and I'm standing right behind it, so if you could see that. I think it performs pretty well, and I didn't change any of the exposure settings, except I'm getting really weird shadows under my eyes, which are probably also dark circles, but you know, what can you do about that? But I definitely think that it performs well in the dark. Now here's my closet. It's pretty dark in here, so let's see how this goes. Okay. So you could see that there's like grain in here, but because there's no light. But when I put a light on, you could see that it's decent quality, but it's not like pretty, so yellow light I don't recommend. So I hope this video has been informative for people that are wanting to buy a camera but don't want to randomly just take a shot in the dark and buy a camera. I definitely think this is a good camera if you're looking for a vlog camera and like a DSLR type of thing, because the quality is pretty comparable, because I was talking to the guy in Best Buy and he definitely said that it is, and I just really recommend this camera if you have the money for it and if you have like the means to do YouTube, then I really suggest it. And I know you're not going to get like the giant DSLR that looks really trendy, but this one is really super easy to use and it's super simple and it's small too and compact. And even though it's not this crazy, insane, complicated camera, if you're not looking for that, I would totally get this. Also, the zoom isn't like perfect, so if you're doing like close-up shots, don't like, I don't know, it's decent zoom, like it can zoom in and out and stuff, but it's not like perfect quality as how you would get with like lenses on a DSLR. So if you're looking to do those kinds of things, then I wouldn't do that. But overall, I really recommend this camera and I'm totally going to be using this. And I also have a huge announcement for you guys. I'm starting another YouTube channel. It is going to be linked in the description, and if you guys want to go check it out, I will be posting a video sometime soon, so you should totally subscribe. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in my next one, and you're probably going to see this camera more. Alright, bye guys.